Now, is the inside of your vehicle getting kind of dusty, a lot of fingerprints, just looking kind of dirty? Well, mine is, and I got this Meguiar's right here. Usually I used to use a different brand. This one right here, I heard actually leaves less residue and does a better job. So let's find out. You know, compared to the other brand, when you open it up, you could just see the wipes in there right away. I think that can actually assist in drying them out prematurely. This one does come sealed. I like that. So this is the way the inside looks. And just like standard, you're going to pull from the center here, not from the edge. So you're going to pull through there. This is the way the lid looks, so you can lock that next wipe right in there to make it easy to pull out. Nice one about this one is it says it's great for navigation screens. Let's check it out. Locks in the dirt and dust pretty good. One thing that I am a little impressed with is that these seem to last pretty long for each wipe. So you can be cleaning and get multiple surfaces done, not just like I clean this and then I have to move to a new one right away. So they do seem to last pretty good. Well, it cleans this navigation screen pretty well. Well, there you go. If you're looking at getting these Meguiar's detailing wipes right here, a couple of things that I like: great for navigation screens, and it says it restores it back to its original appearance. So a lot of times you can get those and they either give like a matte looking finish where it makes it look dried out, or it gets a shine to it, which if you like the shine, that's fine. I'm not one that wants everything super shiny. I kind of like the original appearance of it. I like these Meguiar ones. I would give them a try.